Piezoelectric actuators are electronic actuators whose input is electrical energy and whose output is mechanical displacement or force. In the industrial machinery and semiconductor manufacturing fields, actuators must provide nanometer control, rapid response, and low energy consumption. KEMET actuators are the world's first co-fired multi-layer piezoelectric actuators, which were developed using proprietary multi-layer ceramic technology to meet these precision requirements. Let's look at our cutting-edge ultimate actuators, which are indispensable for manufacturing applications. Unlike other types of actuators, which use guides and pistons to transfer energy, piezoelectric actuators directly leverage ceramic molecule strain to achieve high energy conversion and efficiency. This provides piezoelectric actuators with higher responsiveness and displacement resolution than other actuators, as well as a greater force per unit area. Multi-layer piezoelectric actuators are made by using tape casting to create thin ceramic sheets, printing the internal electrodes, and then repeating this process to obtain as many sheets as required, before finally firing and baking the actuator. Ordinary ceramic capacitor structures, which have comb-like electrodes, contain both expandable and non-expandable portions. As a result, stress is concentrated along the edges of the internal electrodes, making the actuators prone to damage with repeated use. Our internal electrodes employ a unique electrode structure that extends across the entire actuator, with each layer insulated with a sheet of glass. This prevents stress from being concentrated and dramatically improves their quality and longevity. We also offer multi-layer piezoelectric actuators that are completely hermetically sealed in a metal case. Blocking all contact with the atmosphere prevents the actuator from being affected by humidity, while a high-displacement piezo material developed in-house is used with a preloaded bellows structure to achieve an unprecedented service life and a high level of performance. Our AE and AER series of resin-coated actuators for general-purpose applications has a lineup that can provide a maximum force of up to 2 tons and a maximum displacement of 42 micrometers. This line includes 1.5mm compact actuators and various custom shapes, such as hole-punching designs. Our extensive lineup of metal-sealed type actuators for use in high-reliability applications consist of the ASB 85°C series, the high-displacement AHB 85°C series, and the ASL series, which can be used at temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius. They can provide a maximum force of up to 2 tons and a maximum displacement of 150 micrometer, so they can be used in a variety of applications. Multi-layer piezoelectric actuators are highly responsive and can be driven with high accuracy and used to move objects, apply force, create deformations, and produce vibrations. Potential applications include precision positioning, tension control, liquid and gas injection, and sound generation, and they can also be used in vibration generators and ultrasonic motors. For deposition equipment and etching equipment used in semiconductor manufacturing, multi-layer piezoelectric actuators serve as fine control valves for opening and closing gas channels. These actuators provide ultra-precise gas flow control in mass flow controllers. In addition, they are also used for pressure control and positioning in lithography processes, inspection devices, bonders, and other processes. In the medical field, high-speed positioning and focusing are essential for observing and recording microscopic cells at multiple points in very short time intervals. Multi-layer piezoelectric actuators can be used for instantaneous positioning with nanometer resolution. As such, KEMET's multi-layer piezoelectric actuators are essential elements of the semiconductor manufacturing and industrial equipment used in electronic appliances. As the amount of data communications and processing increases in various fields, such as home appliances, automotive, and medical environments, it is becoming increasingly important for semiconductors and devices to be more precise, faster, and more densely mounted. In order to meet these needs, KEMET will continue to develop actuators that are even faster and can operate at even higher temperatures.